The High Tatras, a stunning mountain range in Slovakia, offer a captivating blend of natural beauty, outdoor adventures, and cultural experiences that beckon travelers to explore their majestic landscapes. As the tallest peaks in the Carpathian Mountains, the High Tatras are a haven for hikers, nature enthusiasts, and those seeking breathtaking vistas. The region is a paradise for outdoor activities, boasting an extensive network of hiking trails that cater to all levels of expertise. From leisurely walks along scenic loch shores to challenging ascents of towering peaks, the High Tatras provide a range of options for exploration. The trails lead through diverse landscapes, including dense forests, alpine meadows, and rugged terrains, all while offering opportunities to spot native wildlife. The High Tatras are also renowned for their pristine lakes, each with its own unique charm. Strbska Pliso, the most famous among them, reflects the surrounding peaks in its tranquil waters. Other lakes, such as Popradsk Pliso and Velik Pliso, offer picturesque settings for reflection and relaxation. For those seeking more adrenaline-pumping experiences, the High Tatras offer rock climbing, via ferrata routes, and mountain biking trails that challenge and reward outdoor enthusiasts. In the winter months, the region transforms into a winter wonderland, attracting skiers, snowboarders, and snowshoeing enthusiasts to its slopes and trails. Cultural exploration is also a part of the High Tatras experience. The Tatranska Lomnica ski resort is home to the iconic cable car to Lomnický Stit, one of the steepest cable cars in the world, offering panoramic views of the peaks and valleys. The town of Tatranska Lomnica is dotted with charming architecture, and the nearby town of Stary Smokovec offers a glimpse into the history and culture of the region. The traditional mountain huts, known as chatas, provide a warm welcome to travelers, offering refreshments and local cuisine. Sampling hearty Slovak dishes after a day of adventure is a delightful way to savor the region's flavors. The High Tatras also host a variety of cultural events and festivals throughout the year, celebrating the local traditions, music, and arts that make the region unique. Whether it's attending a traditional folklore festival or exploring the local crafts, these events add another layer of richness to the High Tatras experience. Whether you're hiking through alpine landscapes, admiring mirror-like lakes, indulging in outdoor activities, experiencing local culture, savoring Slovak cuisine, or simply taking in the awe-inspiring vistas, a visit to the High Tatras promises an unforgettable and immersive experience that captures the essence of Slovakia's natural beauty, adventure, and cultural heritage, leaving a lasting impression on all who venture into its captivating embrace.